Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Install your new filter into the housing, with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.